You heard about the cave-in?
Yeah.
I'm putting together a rescue mission.
We have 26 trapped miners who are running out of air.
I need 300 feet of pipe delivered up there in under 30 hours. Can you make it happen?
Says you had experience on the ice road.
Yep.
He's a mechanic?
One of the best.
Sweet Jesus. Give me $50. One of my drivers just became available.
What's it for?
Bail.
Yeah, what?
Told you this wasn't gonna be easy.
I'm in.
Mount up!
The only way up there is crossing the ice roads. But that lake has been thawing for 5 weeks now.
If they are able to accomplish this, we will be exposed.
So the question's time. We've been sabotaged.
My brother is in that mine.
This is personal. Now I'm angry. What the hell was that?
Sweet Jesus, that ain't good.
Spreading out. It's going to keep cracking for 2, maybe 3,000 meters. We're going to have to run tight together. Go!
Cut me loose or you're all going in!
There's no time.
Is anybody out there?
We're coming. Just hang on.